Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Makeup My Passion. I'm gonna be sounding a little rough on this voiceover. Y'all see the Bobbiana? The Bobbiana is Bobby-ing, okay? Let's get into this hair, honey, because I've been getting so many questions about this unit. Let's get into it. Okay, first and foremost, drink our water, mind our business, and get into the hair. So I found this wig on Mary Kay Bella's page. This is the YouTube video that I watched, and it's a 10-inch bob yaki wig from Yas Grl Hair. So first of all, can we get into the box? The box is so cute. I was so impressed at how well packaged it came. I said, okay. So you get it off Amazon. It was like 70 bucks. So I'm like, you know what? I need a new look. We about to take family photos. And I need a new little shink-a-dink, okay? So this came in clutch. I literally got it in like 2 days. So these are some of the things that they give you. They give you hair clips. They give you a wig cap, of course. This is the stock card. Isn't the stock card cute? Is it just me? I thought the stock card was super cute as well. And of course, the silk bag that it comes in. And like I said, I was thoroughly impressed with the packaging. So, this is the unit. And like I said, I got the 10-inch bob. This is their throw on and go collection, where it's like you don't have to do much. Get her together and just put her on. You ain't gotta lay no lace. And yes. So, let's get her on and see how we feeling. So this is the inside. It has the elastic band. It has the 3 combs, 2 in the front and 1 in the back. And of course the band is adjustable. So I'll be honest, once you get her on, she's not a fresh out of the box girl and just wear. She needs a little shaping. So I just wanted to make sure I can kind of see how it would look, but I definitely needed to go in and flat iron her and just give her a little customization because I am extra and I want it to look the way I want it to look. But right now it's giving very junior high emo Hot Topic store. I'm just saying. That was definitely an error for me. But anyway, that's not here nor there. So I'm going to get my flat iron warmed up and then we're going to start bumping her, getting some of these kind of like waves from being in the bag out. And yes, we'll come back. Wake up for you, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. Alright, once you have her completely flat ironed and bumped, you're going to go into these bangs. So I took my shearing comb because them bangs was too thick and just made them a little more natural. Just thin them out a little bit, not too much. I always say start off with a little bit and keep working your way up. You can always add, you can't take away. Same method in makeup. Start off with a little and keep adding. But just go through and just lightly shear through those bangs just to make them a little thinner. This is what I did. You don't have to do this, but this is just what I did to make her work for me. Also, too, y'all, I cannot see. Them bangs was long as hell. So I had to go in and start cutting them. Like, I literally, I'm like, I won't be able to drive. Like, I look like Cousin Ed right now. It's too much. So I had to go in and start cutting those bangs back. I have a shorter forehead, I feel like, so I feel like they were really long on me. I don't know, but if you like really long bangs, you don't have to do this step, but I did it because I literally couldn't see and I needed to be able to see. So then I would just go through, cut, then bump with the flat iron and just kind of see where I was at. Don't get scissor happy like I did. I almost went a little too far, but I caught myself in enough time. See, I can't see. Like, the hair keeps getting in my eyes. Don't get scissor happy like I did. Like I said, just cut off a little at a time until it's where you want it to be. So once I finally got it to a place that I really liked, I left it alone. I did go back with, I used some clippers to kind of even it out. I put it on my mannequin head and I used some clippers to kind of even it out. And that was literally the last thing I did. I didn't record that step, unfortunately, but just letting you know that was the final thing I did to make sure the bang was kind of even across. And it wasn't so jagged. Because when I was cutting like this, honey, it was getting a little jagged, okay? But it worked. It still came out absolutely cute. And like I said, you do not have to do this step. Only do it if you want to be able. If you can't see like I couldn't see, then you may have to cut them back a little bit, sis. And kind of pull the wig back off the front of your head so it kind of lifts them a bit. That's what I had to do to make it work. But yes, This voiceover is gonna sound so rough, y'all. I have like morning voice. Not only is my voice super raspy, I feel like I sound kind of nasally, so please excuse. But anyway, back to your regularly scheduled program. So just go in and keep kind of adjusting where needed. I wanted to make sure it was really flat at the top. And do y'all see the movement though? Sis is moving. Okay, Stiff, where? And this was the final look. This is me after our family photos. I was picking up some food and the light was hitting and Miss Babiana was giving. I was really proud of like how well it came out. It was a quick little sleigh. And it wasn't expensive. Like honestly, I was really impressed. I'm gonna definitely invest in some more wigs from Yas Grl Hair. I really, really liked it. And the link for this hair will be down in the description bar. And that's it. Yeah, she's eating. Maybe I love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself.